What's up? Good morning. You know what it is, pre-market watch list with just the average guy. And here I break down my stocks that I'm looking at for today. It's February the 7th, 2018, and the market is looking green today. So the market is kind of equaling out. Doesn't mean there could still be some volatility, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm looking at. All right, first one here is Snapchat. It had good earnings supposedly, and it's got a nice rise here. What we could see here happening is that since Snapchat's been beaten down for quite a while, if you look here, pretty good downtrend right there from 16 bucks, and it blew past that right there. Let me see. Look back to yearly chart. Dang, for the whole year, it's been going down since $30. So it's got this real good rise right here. From the past 10 days. Look at that nice jump up. And what could happen here is also is people been shorting the stock. That means they were betting on it going the stock going down. And now since the stock jumped up on their behind, they might have to cover their positions. That means they might have to buy the stocks back that they shorted, and might get a nice little squeeze, an uprise. But there's no telling yet. We'll see when the market opens here in about 25 minutes, 24 minutes. Next one on my list is DPW for the morning. It is popping off. I think there's some. It's not on my news right here that it has news, but there has been some chatter that it has news. And plus, DPW is heavily invested into the cryptocurrency buzz. So the cryptocurrencies are rebounding currently. So that means we can look at stocks like DPW, Riot, RIOT. They're heavily invested in cryptocurrency. Bam, same kind of pattern. Which other one? IMMY maybe? No, there's another one. Oh, Grow. Same kind of pattern right there. So we can watch all of these. They follow the price of Bitcoin heavily. So now that Bitcoin rebounded yesterday, they're on the rebound. If Bitcoin keeps going up, we watch it. Just watch the price with Bitcoin correlating with the price of DPW and Riot, and you'll see a very clear pattern. Like if you even go to GBTCH, which is the Bitcoin inverse, it's kind of like a ETF. You know what ETF is to Bitcoin, and having the same pattern right there. I mean, you could play all three at once, but you only need to play one. It does, it's just showing you that this is a trend, and you can ride this trend. All right, so we also have Dry on the list. Dries, sorry, it's popping off. It had news that it was repurchasing shares back, repurchase program, and that's good news that your company wants to buy back shares of its own stock because it believes that the price is going to go up, or it's trying to get people interested in this company, and it's getting a lot of interest. It's looking green, looking good. Hopefully, I'm hoping to see a dump out. If we see a dump out, that means a good play. That means 9 out of 10, it's gonna run. And MBRX, got a good list here. Got a good list. But this one's a little. It's got FDA application for leukemia. It's a little shaky here. Look at that. You don't want to see a little bit of candles here and there. You want to see like dries where you got big, nice green candles looking strong and healthy. That's what you want to see. And then TVIX. Watch this one. Yes, yes. That's kind of what you want. You kind of want to dump out and uh, wait for volume to jump in. You see it going in the up direction. You want to jump in with that momentum. Now, if you're gonna play it like that, you want to get in and get out. I mean, you only need a couple. You only need 10 to 12 cents to really make money. It just depends on how many shares you're buying. I mean, it's looks like it's at $7. No, it's at $9. So it's fairly cheap. This is the inverse of SPY. So SPY kind of like oversees the market health and how's it going and stuff like that. So if you see SPY dumping out, that means TVIX is gonna be running, or UVIX might run. It's having the same patterns, same thing patterns. It's like, why have two of them when they both do just about the same thing? But they both are very, they're similar, very similar, but they all are different. They measure different things in the market. But okay, guys, think that was it. Let's I want to look at. Wait, one more real quick. CVRS, nah. Yang popping off. Was this bear? It's an ETF, but it's not looking healthy. No volume bars down here. See like that? None down there. That's what I want to see. Like dries, looking strong. Yes, and that's what I want to see. I want to see it dump out, and I can hop in like a slingshot. Like. All right, that's it. Market's gonna open up here in about 18 minutes. So I'll go ahead and sign off. Oops.